Hello, and today we'll be looking at the PPC plastic plane company Air France Concorde in 1/250 scale. This is the second Concorde we will have looked at, with the first one being British Airways, and now moving on to Air France. As you see, the body is made up of one piece, or the fuselage as it's known, and it has the vertical stabilizer on it, and as you see, this plane doesn't have a horizontal stabilizer at the end. Now, to attach the wings, which are these two pieces here, the wings clip together like so. You hold those in place. They then clip onto the body. Make sure you get the alignment right. Push them in, and there you have it. You have the Air France Concorde in 1/250 scale. Have a look at the very nice plane. Obviously it's a Concorde, so it's a very nice piece of aviation history from the early 2000s. You get a nice look at it. Got a very nice Air France logo. You see the livery. You see get it to focus. A very little European flag there, little stars. A registration of FBTSD, which is also on the underside here. You can see the engines on this plane. Cockpit, and obviously the cockpit is up on this particular Concorde. There is no landing gear with this model, so keep that in mind. But you can see all the lovely little details. If you look here, some little text, which if it does come into focus, says Group Air France, so it's very tiny, but still they put in the effort to make it so it is actually readable. Very nice. So again, moving on to more details, things like the flaps, ailerons on the wings, you can see all the windows, the doors. Just in general, it's a very nice model. Well, the wingspan, it's got a pretty decent wingspan of about 10.2 centimeters. It's about 24.8 centimeters long, so it's a very nice scale. And this model comes with a stand here, which is in two parts, which you just fit together like so. And then you can fit the stand onto the model, which just clips on like that. There you have it. The Concorde, it appearing to be in a upwards motion, taking off. Also, you could also take the stand off if you wanted, and turn it around, and you have the Concorde in the opposite direction, whichever way you want to put it. And this model comes in this box here, which has a picture of the exact plane in air. You can see, you can see, has a matching registration. It's got big Air France written on it, and it's got some information about a real Concorde, such as its length, its height, and its wingspan. And this is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.